the Samajwadi Party. Sumaiya Rana, my question to you is tonight very, very simple. Gangsters ruled the roost today. Are you happy that law has taken its own course, and especially after Atiq Ahmed was being transferred from the Sabarmati jail to the Naini jail? There were many speculations that Gadi palat jayegi or there will be an encounter. None of that happened, and the court has pronounced its own judgment, held Atiq Ahmed guilty and imprisoned him for life. Question is, Mafia Raj khatam hua. Would you want to thank Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath for bringing back the rule of law in Uttar Pradesh for the common people?
देखिए, जो भी फैसला आया है अतीक अहमद के लिए, और सबसे पहले तो कोर्ट का सम्मान होना चाहिए और उस फैसले का स्वागत होना चाहिए। और ये जो सरकार पीठ थपथपाती है हर चीज़ में अपने लिए, मुझे लगता है कि ये एक बहुत ही हास्यास्पद चीज़ है, क्योंकि हमारे उत्तर प्रदेश में जिस तरीके से माफिया राज खत्म होने की बात हो रही है और दिन पर दिन एक ना एक कोई ऐसे कांड हो रहे हैं जिससे ये साबित हो रहा है कि उत्तर प्रदेश में क्या कौतूहल मचा हुआ है। जिसकी हत्या होती है प्रयागराज में, वो भी भाजपा से रिलेटेड हैं, और जिन पैसों का मामला जिनके जो संज्ञान में आया था वो भी बीजेपी के ही थे। लेकिन कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा ड्रामा करके ये दिखाना जनता को कि हम माफिया राज के खिलाफ लड़ रहे हैं और माफिया मुक्त हो गया हो उत्तर प्रदेश, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है।
शरद त्रिवेदी जी, जो ड्रामा हो रहा है, आतिक अहमद को 40 साल में पहले 100 केसेस, क्रिमिनल केसेस हैं उनके खिलाफ मर्डर के साथ साथ, और आज सुमैया राणा जी कह रही हैं कि ये ड्रामा है और बीजेपी माफिया राज खत्म करेगी, ये इट्स अ जोक।
Well, if it is a drama, then probably the drama has been played on a very, very big scale. There have been 60,000 people locked up under the Gangster Act. There have been 8,000 under NSA. There have been 1,800 encounters in which 175 criminals have been killed. So this is being done on a huge scale. And we are not saying it. The mafia, Mr. Atiq Ahmed himself said that जो मुख्यमंत्री जी बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत अच्छी सरकार चला रहे हैं, the terrorist is scared of it, the thieves are scared of it. There is not because terror is also a crime, and not one single terror incident has happened in the last 6 years. When we had a bomb explosion every 3 months in virtually all of the cities in Uttar Pradesh, not one has happened. Once they tried, and even the riots is also crime. Not one single riot took place. They attempted once, and the kind of response that the government gave, nobody ever dared to do it again. Whether we then they had linked us up with the various castes, various communities. When we had an encounter with Vikas Dubey, Vijay Mishra, then they said that we were against the Brahmins. When 300 crores was recovered from the criminals in Kanpur, then they said that we were against the business community. When 6 terrorists were arrested in Maliabad, then they said we are against the minorities. We have been given a clear mandate by the people to hunt down criminals no matter who, no matter where. And Hiranandani, the chairman of Hiranandani Group, which is a 2 lakh crore company, he himself said that we were scared of in coming to Uttar Pradesh, much less investing in Uttar Pradesh. Now they are saying that we are very happy with the conditions in Uttar Pradesh. We are going to put up investments in Uttar Pradesh, and in these summits we have had a commitment for investment of 33 lakh crores.
Well,
it is unprecedented.
Well, so
we have hunted all of them.
Tehseen Poonawalla, would you want to congratulate